Okay, so have anyone else noticed any correlation between square numbers and odd numbers? By square numbers, I mean numbers that are perfect squares. Think of 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4, 25 is the square of 5, 36 is the square of 6, 49 is the square of 7, 64 is the square of 8, 81 is the square of 9, 100 is the square of 10, 121 is the square of 11, 144 is the square of 12, 169 is the square of 13, 196 is the square of 14, 225 is the square of 15. Okay, now these square numbers increase in odd numbers, right? Odd numbers are the basis with which the square numbers increase. From one square number to the other square number is going to be an odd number. The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. Now, the first square number, let's say the first square number is the first real square number is 4. But let's start with 1. Or we can even go as far as 0. Because technically, 0 square is, the square of 0 is 0. Now, from 0 to 1 is 1. From 1 to 4, from 1 to the next square number, which is 4, is 3. From 4 to the next square number, which of 9, is 5. From 9 to the next square number of 16 is 7. From 16 to the next square number of 25 is 9. From 25 to the next square number of 36 is 11. From 36 to the next square number of 49 is 13. And you can guess that from 49 to the next square number of 64, without having to calculate it, we can guess it's going to be 15. Why? Because here is a pattern we are seeing. From 64 to the next square number of 81, we can guess it's going to be 17. Now, these square numbers increase in increments of the next odd number. If you can find the next odd number, you can find what the next square number is going to be. And I think that's a very interesting pattern. You see, the thing about math is that once you learn to identify the patterns, math trains you to think in terms of patterns, in terms of structure, in terms of systems and processes. Math, the numbers are the training instruments, but the result of the training is the systematic thinking you develop. You begin to think in terms of processes, in terms of systems. So that's why math is really important. In math, you're confronting numbers, you're confronting letters. You might think you don't need those letters and numbers in real life, and maybe you really don't, but the training is not what you're going to use in real life. It's not what you're going to do in real life. The training helps you to do what you will actually do. The training involves numbers and letters, yes, unknowns, coefficients, variables, and so on. But the result of the training, the kind of thinking that comes from the training, the ability to see patterns in things, the ability to think in terms of systems, in terms of processes, these things will be very useful in real life. And these are what math teaches you. Now, let me just give you a quick tip before I end this video. If you want to find what the next square number is going to be, you just have to find the square root of the number and add the consecutive number. What do I mean? The square root of 25 is 5. The next square number is going to be 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. The next square number is going to be 25 plus 11. The square root of 100 is 10. 10, right? Now the next consecutive number after 10 is 11. If the square root of 100 is 10, the next square number is going to be 10 plus 11, 21. 21 plus 100, 121. The square root of 169 is 13. The consecutive number after 13 is 14. So add 13 plus 14, 27. The next square number is going to be 169 plus 27, which is going to be 196. I don't know, but I know it's 196 because I know that the next square number after 169 increases by the next odd number. So that's the kind of systemic thinking I'm talking about.